Now look at this, we proved these two triangles are congruent. So come to this, after this, once the triangles are congruent, you can write the corresponding parts are equal. So I will take AB and CE are equal. So only side I will take AB is equal to CE. Reason is CPCT. They are the corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So I took only AB is equal to CE. This is what is required for me. Okay, look at the diagram. AB is equal to C. Already we have taken these two sides are equal and these two are equal because it is a midpoint. We can take AB and CE are equal. Okay. So now if that is the case, AB and CE are equal, same thing we can do here also. PQM congruent to this one also we can write, and we can write PQ is equal to RN. Similarly I can write, so I will write directly, similarly we can prove PQ is equal to RN. So instead of proving this one directly you can write it because already we proved there. So you can also prove this triangle is congruent to this triangle because same construction in both the triangles. So you can write PQ is equal to RN directly here. Now again you come back to this triangle now, AEC. AEC or ACE. You can take ACE and PRN. You have to show that the triangles are similar. How can you show that these triangles are similar? In triangle ACE and in triangle PRN. You have to show these two triangles similar. Come on, how can you show these two triangles are similar?
Sir, AC is equal to PR given.
AC is equal to PR given, then
AD is equal to PM is given, so we can multiply both.
Okay, we do one thing. What? Okay, good. Tarun, good. Now we will use this itself. What is given? This we will use here. AB by PQ, AC by PR, AD by PM. Let me use this one. AD, what is that given? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. So this is given in the question itself. Look at this diagram. AB by PQ are given, you can see this. AB, AC, AD, PQ, PR and PM. AB by PQ, AC by PR, AD by PM. So that is what I have written again here. AB by PQ, AC by PR and AD by PM. Now, again I will write, look at the diagram. AB by PQ, instead of writing AB by PQ, I can write CE by NR. Can you tell me what is the reason? Instead of writing AB by PQ, because we proved that AB is equal to CE. AB is equal to CE we have proved, and PQ is equal to NR we have proved. So therefore I can write here, so in place of AB, what you can write? In place of AB what you can write? Look at the diagram and tell me. In place of AB you can write CE. So in place of AB you can write CE. So let us write CE divided by, in place of PQ what you can write? Look at the diagram and tell me. In place of PQ you can write RN or NR. Okay, CE by RN. Then AC by PR, let us write as it is. No need to change. And here AD by PM. So look at this, I will multiply this one by 2. 2 times AD by 2 times PM. So both the numerator and denominator multiplied by 2, value remains same. Ratio, because it's a ratio. 2 is multiplied. Even if you simplify 2 gets cancelled, you will get AD by PM only. Now what happens? So I will write CE by RN once again. CE by RN is equal to AC by PR is equal to 2 times AD by PM. Look at the diagram. 2 times AD is nothing but AE. AD and D are equal. So therefore 2 times AD is nothing but AE. 2 times PM is nothing but PN. So therefore AE and PN we can write there. So we can write AE and PN. So we can write here AE divided by PN. So now look at the diagram. We proved that AE by PN divided CE is equal to CE by NR is equal to AC by PR. So in these two triangles, so we have proved that these two triangles, we have all the three sides are proportional. We have proved that all the three sides of the triangles are proportional. Therefore I can write AEC is similar to PNR. We can write AEC is similar to PNR. So I will write here. So therefore triangle AEC similar to triangle PNR. So this is by SSS similarity. Okay, we have proved that by SSS similarity. Now it's not over. Look at this. If they are similar, I can write these angles are equal. The corresponding angles. I can write this angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. Isn't it? That the corresponding angles of similar triangles. Can I write like that or not? We proved that ACE is similar to PRN or AEC is similar to PNR. In this, corresponding angles must be equal. Here A must be equal to P. A I will write it as CAE RPN. So I can write CAE is equal to RPN. Write CAE is equal to RPN. CAE is equal to RPN. So they are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay. So we proved that CAE is equal to RPN. Now look at this diagram. We proved these two angles are equal. So if I change the construction here, all of you look at this screen now. Instead of joining CE, if I join PE, here instead of joining RN, if I join QN, you can prove these triangles are also similar. In the same way, you can do the same thing here also. You can prove these two angles are also equal. You can prove that. So look at these angles. So you can prove these two angles are also equal. But the construction should change here. So you can show that these two angles equal. How you can show that these two angles equal? What you did here, CE and RN, you joined, you got this triangles. Instead of doing like this, you can join this side, you will get this triangle, ABE, here PQN. You can show that ABE is similar to PQN. Same way you can write these two angles equal. Therefore I write directly without proving that one, BAE is equal to QPN. So I will write BAE is equal to QPN. I will write BAE is equal to QPN. BAE is equal to QPN. So we can prove that. Similarly, we can write, because we can prove that triangle BAE is equal to, we can prove that triangle BAE is similar to triangle QPN. We can prove. Okay, we can prove that the triangles are similar. Instead of constructing that side, you have to construct the left side. So once you get these two, you call this is 1 and this is 2. Add these two 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So you get CAE plus BAE is equal to RPN plus QPN. Okay, look at the diagram once again. CAE plus BAE. This is nothing but BAC. Okay, so therefore I can write here BAC. I will write here angle BAC. Sum of these two angles is equal to RPN and QPN. Look at the diagram. RPN and QPN. This is nothing but QPR or RPQ. QPR. You can write here QPR. Okay, so these two angles are equal. Now we have reached almost the final stage. Now you come to this triangle ABC and PQR now. You can come to the triangle ABC and PQR. So in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR. We have already proved that. We have already proved that already given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. It is given. You can see that the data. See, look at this. We have, this is the question. We have AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. That is what I have written here. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Look at the diagram here. AB by PQ, AC by PR. So data what we have taken, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. So that is what I have written here. Okay. Then one more. In these two triangles, see, look at this. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. We proved that these two angles are also equal, isn't it? We proved that angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. So that where we have proved that, see here only. So where, look at this. So we have proved here BAC is equal to PQR. BAC is equal to QPR. So I will write here BAC is equal to QPR. Angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. This is proved. Now tell me what criteria you can use here to declare that their triangles are similar?
SAS.
SAS. So therefore by SAS similarity, I can declare these two triangles are similar. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So that is the proof. Okay, is it clear? See, there is only a small change to the previous question and this question, but the difference you see, so many steps here. So in the previous question, question number 12, they are given AB by PQ and BC by QR was given. We used that concept and we proved these two triangles are similar and directly we declared B is equal to Q. That was an easier steps. Now instead of that, they gave AB by PQ, AC by PR and the medians are proportional they are given. In this case, what are the steps we have to follow? First you have to show these two triangles are congruent. After showing congruent, you have to show these two sides are equal. Then afterwards, you have to select these two triangles and show them they are similar. Okay. Once you show these two triangles are similar, then you can write the corresponding angles are equal. These two angles are equal. After showing these two angles are equal, similarly you can show that the other side, these two angles, again you can show that they are equal. As you have shown these two angles equal, instead of constructing this side, if you construct this side, you will get these two angles are equal. Adding these two, you will get angle A is equal to angle P. So in the data they have given AB by PQ, AC by PR, and we proved that these two angles are equal. So therefore by SAS we can declare ABC similar to PQR. Remember, once again I will revise this. First you need to show these two triangles similar, congruent. By congruency, write AB is equal to CE. Afterwards, select this triangle ACE and PQ and PRN. Show that they are similar. After showing that similar, you can write these two angles equal. Afterwards, write in the same way we can prove these two angles also similar. Add these two, you will get angle A is equal to angle P. Then you select ABC and PQR. It is given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. We proved that angle A is equal to angle P. By SAS similarity, ABC similar to PQR. That's the proof.